It was a typical afternoon, and we know that how much Guten wants to spend his time in the balcony, leisuring, chilling, and also watching bird. And I can't imagine that someday something like this might happen. I was just walking around the house and I heard a sound. And here it is. Guten finally caught a bird. He was very excited and scared at the same time, the same as me. And here's the part of that. Run. He carrying inside the house a bird he just caught and just chasing around the house. Like this. He very carefully sniffed and looking around. What just happened? As you can see, Guten, what just happened? You can see the tiny fur still stuck in his mouth. Sniff, sniff. Oh, that's still moving. What should I do? Sniff it? Paw it? I don't know. Hey, you move. Your head? Hey, you still move. I'm not sure that he needs help. That he very skeptical. And his tiny brain, I guess, still processing the information. But a bird. So finally, I caught a bird. They're not a dreams anymore. But hey, Guten. I'm here, you're not alone. And you also need the parents' consent, right? Hey you, ready? Hey you. In fact, cats really love catch and play game. They hunt their prey. And they let them be and they hunt again, back and forth. I just took a photo of the bird and just look on the Google to see that's good or not. But also new to me, I must say, and I also frozen for some moment to also process all kind of what's happening right now. But I know the fact is that it is not good for the house cat like Guten eat a white bird because the bird can carry a lot of bacteria and something. And more importantly, I want to save a bird. Look at tiny creature. Look at him. I can feel his heart is bouncing. It's pumping very fast in my palm. He also have very little cute white fur below his peak. It's very cute. I wrap him around the kitchen paper and also look thoroughly to see how he is. I also just found a little wound by the Guten around his peak. And he seemed fine, but he also exhausted, of course, after the hunting, and also shocked. In the meantime, the Guten is just hiding himself Like, hey, I caught a prey, but I'm afraid of them. Very typical Guten, I can say. And he also wondering, what's your mommy doing? And now he also saw the bird again and getting out. It's in hunting mode. Look at him. Very focused. And then I let the bird out on the balcony for him to resting a little bit. As I said, he super exhausted, and even the wound slightly, just slightly, but he cannot fly away right now. He had no energy for that. So I locked Guten inside. Also continue watching the bird literally. He also like, hey, where's my prey? You caught it. You wait. It back to me. And then the bird also tried to escape by himself, flying around my little balcony and also hiding himself here. Later on, I found him in my tomato pot. But I want to take him out because the tomatoes here have a lot of ants and other insects, and I'm just simply worried about him. And because I locked Guten inside, so everything is safe. I took him out and leave him in the corner. You can see that he is heavily breathing and his little heart is just bouncing. No surprise, Guten also keep very focused eye on the bird, but inside and curious and focused. Where's the bird? Where's the bird, mommy? And the bird, after resting for a while and slowly climbing up and find his way to escape, to return to his sky. Can he make it? Finger crossed. And wait for it. Bird, you can do it. You can do it. And flew. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video today and also the bird. Such adventure.